So we had a DDoS attack. We hadn't had one before. We weren't completely prepared. Luckily, it was like end of the day, so our engineering team, like designers and like whatnot, like of course, like set up Slack and started like solving it, and we were able to like bring the site up, at least on the way to get into the application, like relatively fast through Cloudflare workers, just because like, Linear is a single page JavaScript application, so we were able to bring that up. But on the day before that, we had launched our new website, our new homepage, and we had a dedicated URL for it. So it's linear.app/homepage, so we can like share it on Twitter, and like if people logged in people go to it, they still see it. Mm-hmm. So we had put that out, and the tweets were still going like a day later. And as we had this DDoS going on, and we brought the site back up, but it really bothered me that like people who saw those tweets would just like end up in our login page, which is a little less grandiose. Still nice, but nowhere near what they were probably expecting to see. So I just asked our design team, or like our web engineer who built the site, and like our designer, like, hey guys, can you put up a public Figma file of the design that we can redirect this one path into it from our Cloudflare worker, that people still see it. Like, it's going to be like a weird experience when they land into Figma. The team was a little bit like hesitant to start to do that, but it's like kind of forced my way them to do it. And people loved it. And we actually had like some of the like other designs there. And I went to have dinner at that point, but the party kind of like just got started, and like people joined the Figma file, and our team basically did an ad hoc Ask Me Anything by purely, of course, without audio or anything. People are using the Figma's commenting system to ask questions, and our team was like putting out, like writing notes on the answers, and I think like they did it for a couple of hours, and this was completely unplanned, but it's one of those things that, like I mentioned before, you like have to change direction. There's like really no risk to it of doing it, but seemed like people really liked it, and hopefully we can do more of this kind of like community engagement in the future as well.